Okay, let's yes, please. Mass, the mass of sun is there, and the average distance. I think this is the question of the Earth assignment
It's a weekly test.
as a weekly test. Okay, no worries. Let me. So this question is based on the universal law of gravitation. Okay. The question that was done in the class is based nothing but that. Let me download. Just a minute. Let me share my screen. So this is the question asked by the sages. So this question is saying that the mass of sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg, right? And the mass of earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, right? So I'm taking, sorry, mass of earth, mass of sun as capital M, that is 2 into 10 to the power 30 kg. So let me shift my laptop a little bit. And the mass of earth, that is, I'm taking a small m because as compared to sun, our earth mass is smaller. So that is equals to 24 kg. Yeah. And the average distance between the sun and earth is basically average means that the scientists have made the calculation. So in basically in some part of the year, the distance between the earth is less, and in some part of the basically year, the distance between the sun and earth is basically long as compared to the one. Basically in winter, the distance between the sun and the earth is smaller as compared to the distance between the sun and earth in summer. Right. So they said the average distance. It means that they have made the calculation. So average distance that come out to be R, that is coming out to be
Then
1.5.
we can write D also, right?
Yes, we can use any variable. It's not like only R, or we can say D. It could be anything. Okay. And everything, which one more thing, it's in kilometers. So I have to convert this into meters because SI unit is meter. Okay. So 1.5 into 10 to the power 11 meter. Because 1 kilometer is 10,000 meters. So that's why I've just, yeah, added this three zeros into this. Is that clear to all of you? Please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anyone?
No, sir.
No,
Sure.
sir. Sure, sir.
So according to the question, that is F is equals to, I'm really sorry everyone, for by R square. You're having a, like like my voice and the little bit cold is still there in my body, so that's having a little bit cough as well. Okay, so let's calculate the values over here. So see one thing, the value of G is not given to you here. So you can use either 6.67 or 67. Both will be all almost same, right? So I'm going to use 6.7 because that is a rounded figure, 10 to the power minus 11 into mass of Earth Sun is 2 into 10 to the power 30 into mass of Earth is 6 into 10 to the power 24. Divided by R square is 15 into 10 to the power 11 square. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
See this thing, 6.7 into, add all the values that is having 10 to the raised to the power. Okay? 10 to the power minus 11. See, 54, 30 plus 24, 54, 54 minus 11, 43. 2 into 2 into 6 would be 12 into 10 to the power 43. Okay, divided by 15, 1.5 into 1.5 into 10 to the power 22. Square of 11 is basically when you square it, so the power will get multiplied. Exponential law,
Yes, sir.
that's here, all of you. Now, I will take this 10 to the power 22 in the numerator. The force will be equals to, and before that, I can cancel this thing by, you can say 1, 8 times. 8 times. Okay? I can cancel this by 8 times. And this would be, okay, 1, 3.5 and 4.5, yeah, 8 times. And this is 8 again. So if I cancel this by 5, so 3 and 1.6. Okay, let's calculate a little bit more. 6.6 into 8 into 10 to the power 43 into 10 to the power minus 22 divided by 1.5. 6.7 into 43 minus 22, 21 is in Newton divided by 1.5. So if I divide it as well, so that would be somewhere around 80, so zero point 0.6, just a second. So that would be 6.7 into 8 divided by 1.5. That is coming out to be 35.7 into 10 to the power 21 Newton. Is that clear? So this is the force, average force of attraction between Earth and Sun. See this, see this thing. This is a very, very big force, now. That's why Sun basically the Earth revolutes around the Sun. I didn't get this. They just tell me calculation. May show the calculation. Are you asking to show me the calculation?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what you are asking. No worries. Tell me.
How you got this answer? I'm asking that.
I've just basically used the calculator. Right now we don't have that much time stages. So this is a simple thing. We have only 1 hour class. We have to do everything. So if we have to use the time efficiently, so that's why I used the calculator over here. So but you have to write it in the exam. So it's the see this thing. I've also passed my 9th class, 10th class without calculator. I was also a student. So right now I have the privilege that I can use the calculator, but you cannot. Okay. So you have to practice and calculate it on your own. Okay.
Yes,
चलो that's ठीक है. Okay, is that clear, Tejas?
yes, sir.
चलो. So in the last class we have completed the equations for falling of basically free falling body, right? So in this class we are going to basically just a second. we are going to do the numericals based on the equation of motion for the free falling body. So let me take one question from that portion. Yes. Okay. Let's do the first question based on that. Is it visible to you all? Please do let me know.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's great. Okay. Okay. So please read the question and let me know what is it asking. Okay. Let me tell you. Question is saying that to estimate the height of a bridge over a river, a stone is dropped freely in the river from the bridge. It means that a bridge is there and basically up like underneath it. Asking to find yes, yes. Okay. So under the bridge there is a river, and basically the person has dropped a stone to find the height of the river. So the question is saying that the stone took 2 seconds to touch the surface, water surface, right, in the river. Calculate the height of the bridge and if the value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay. So now let's use the value. Let me know what is the initial velocity in this case.
Initial velocity is 0.
Initial velocity is zero. Very good. Because in this, I have written that when the body is dropped freely from height, its initial velocity is zero, right? Okay. So let's write all the things that is given to you in this question. So that is u is equals to 0 and time taken is equals to 2 seconds, right? And g is equals to 9.8. As body is dropping downward, so the value of g will be taken as positive. Is that clear to all of you? These were some sign conventions that we have considered. So as you can see, we need to find the height. So 1, 2, 3 units are given to you. So we can easily use the second equation of motion, that is h is equals to ut plus half gt square. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
In
Yes, sir.
that equation, because we have given the time, so that's why we can use this one. Okay. H we need to calculate. H is u is 0 into t, is that is nothing but 2 plus of half into 9.8 into 2 into 2. This will get cancelled. 9.8 is nothing but 19.6 meter is the height of the basically bridge. Right? This is the answer. Please do let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done, sir.
Okay, that's it. Let's take one more question. Is my voice clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. If I give you one question, would you like to try, everyone?
Yes, sir.
But I need
Yes,
an answer
sir.
in in only 1 minute, because that is a simple question.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Please do not take that one, because this is the repetition of the equations of motion. Okay. So equation of motion. Please do it. Answer. This is just the opposite of it.
Sir, in this we have to use the first law of equation, right?
Stages I won't tell you. Find it on your own and let me know.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Yeah. Because if I tell you what, then what is the reason behind? If you cannot solve it, that's another thing. But at least try. Just let me know.
Sir, I'm not sure.
Okay. So let me know in the chat only if even you're not sure. If you have calculated, there would be some value. So please share it in the chat. Fast, everyone. Rishad, Tejas, Asif, Safia, Sara. Fast. Okay. Okay, Tejas. Okay. Safia, Sara, Irshad. Answer. You just take your calculation. That won't be the type. It won't be the answer. It's very, very like it's not like it's a very high velocity figure. It's in if you are saying that 3 kilometer per second. 3 kilometer per second.
Mm.
It's possible. It's not possible to throw a ball with a human by a human being. 11.2 kilometer per second is the or basically the velocity to escape from the Earth's gravity. You are saying 3 kilometer per second. It's not correct. Check your calculation. Safia, Sara, Irshad, any answer? Irshad, why did you switch off the camera? Please switch it on. Whenever you enter the class, everyone, it's a request. Please do not switch off your camera. Please be, if you are there in the class, please be seated for 1 hour. If you have internet issue or anything else, that is another. But if there is no issue and still you are sitting off your camera, so that's not good. Chalo, let's solve it together.
Yes.
It seems like nobody is answering. Let's calculate this thing. Question is saying that when a ball is thrown vertically upwards through a distance of height, basically height is 19.6 meters. Height is basically 19.6 meters. Okay. And find the initial velocity of the ball and the time taken to rise to the highest point. So there you go. Final initial velocity would be anything because it is basically we are throwing. Final velocity would be zero at the highest point. Yes or no? G will be equals to negative of 9.8 meter
Yes, I know.
per second square. Okay. And time taken is t. Now everyone see this thing. I have B, U, G, and H. I can easily calculate first of all V, U, G. Let's calculate the time t using the first equation of motion. That is V is equals to U plus G. Okay. So V is 0. U is we need to calculate minus 9.8 t. Okay. Just a second. T is not also not known. Na? Third equation use first second use. I just forgot. I thought that we have given by T. Sorry. My bad. Use the second equation. H is equals to ut plus half gt square because time is not given. So we have to calculate the time from the second equation first. So 19.6 is equals to u. Again, just a second.
Oh, I think we should use the third, sir.
Third. What happened next? Sorry, yeah.
I told you, sir.
Sorry. My mind is like whatever you do, I'll not make it correct. Sorry, it's third equation. Yeah, you're right. Because we have 2g. So v is 0 minus u square is equals to 2 negative into 9.8 into 19.6. Okay. So u negative of u square is equals to as a negative of u square is equals to 2 into 9.8 is 19.6 into 19.6. Yes or no, everyone? This
Yes, sir.
negative will get cancelled. The value of u would be under root of 19.6 into 19.6. So this is a pair. So I can easily basically take out 119.6 because it is in square pair. So the velocity with which the ball is thrown in vertical direction is 19.6 meter per second. Is that clear? Right. Now we have u as well. So I can easily calculate the value of time using v is equals to u plus gt. Okay. That is v is 0, u is 19.6 minus 9.8 into t. So 9.8 I'm going to take on the left hand side. That is 19.6. So t would be equals to 19.6 by 9.8. So this will get cancelled by 2 seconds. So the time taken to reach to the highest point is 2 seconds. Is that clear to all of you? Please do it fast.
From where you
Yes,
got time, sir?
Yes, yes, Tejas, what did you say?
Sir, where did you get time from?
Where
Where did you got time from?
time from? First equation. V is equals to g plus t. V is equals to u plus gt.
So why are you
Yes.
taking minus 9.8?
Minus 9.8 because you are throwing a ball in the upwards direction, but the actual gravity is downwards. So the
Yes,
basically
sir.
your acceleration in the opposite direction. Here it is written. That's why I asked for the revision. In the last class, I have told you, Bacho, when a body is thrown vertically upwards, its velocity is decreasing. It means that it is a retardation. So that's why acceleration would be negative now.
Yes,
When
sir.
a body is retarding, what is the sign of acceleration? Negative or positive?
Negative, sir.
Yeah,
Negative.
negative, na? So that's why we are taking negative, because ball is retarding. At a certain height, it will stop and it will basically fall again from that point. Yes. And in that case, the ball will be accelerating, because from the highest point, the initial velocity will be taken as zero, and the ball will gradually increase the speed due to the acceleration, due to gravity. Now you got it. Why did I ask to revise in the basic? But
Yes, sir.
nobody revise it. That is the thing. If you do the revision, bacho, that's why if you do the revision, the numericals would be very, very easy. These, now tell me, isn't it the same, you can say, repetition of the equations of motion?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. It
I know,
is,
like, the Safia has not studied with me. Safia, did you take the equations of motion class with me? I think so. You have taken the class. You have joined from the equations of motion or acceleration, if I remember.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
tell me, isn't it the repetition of the same types? Only the height is distance or displacement is replaced by the height. Acceleration is replaced by the acceleration due to gravity. Everything is same. Calculations, equations, all the things are same. So that's why revision is important. That's why I asked that please do the revision for the equations of motion topic before coming to the next class. I'm giving you one more question. Please solve it and let. Now let me know that. Fast, everyone. It's a request to all of you. Please start the revision, as we are going. Basically, it's almost the half of the chapter. Only mass and
yes,
weight is
sir.
left. Buoyancy and Archimedes principle is left. Only two topics are left in this chapter. In the coming class, we'll start the buoyancy and Archimedes. So I think so in the coming 2.5 classes, we'll be done with the chapter. It means that by the end of this October, we'll be done with the chapter. In the November, work power energy is also a small topic. Only potential and kinetic energy is there, and the conservation of energy is there. Right? That will take not more than 4 classes. So I'll schedule 1 or 2 extra class, and the chapter would be done in the November itself. And we are,
Okay, sir.
and in the by the mid December or the end of the December, we will done with the sound chapter as well. It means that by the mid of the December, we'll be done with the syllabus. So you
Okay,
have to
sir.
prepare. We are almost about to end the third chapter, and you're not revising, you're not preparing for the exam. If you prepare it from right now, then you will be able to score in the coming. Otherwise, you will be just blank.
Okay, sir.
Please take this thing seriously, everyone. I know you are very good student, but the thing is that if you do not practice, the sharp mind is not going to help you in the exam. Simple word. You have seen the
Yes, sir.
Messi and Ronaldo example
Yes, sir.
is there. So there is no need for the proper explanation. You have already seen this thing in the real world. Why Messi is not that much famous and popular as compared to Ronaldo? Because Ronaldo has done so much hard work to reach
Yes,
that
sir.
place. Right? Messi is a very good player. As just like they're like Virat and Rohit. But still, right? But still, Rohit is not that much popular as compared to Virat, because Virat has done the hard work on the fitness,
Yes,
on the technique, right? Similar, Messi has also basically done the sorry, Ronaldo has also made the like practice, hard work, technique. He's not God gifted. So that's why God gift is a very good blessing. But the thing is that you have to use it with a proper guidance. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Asithva said yes, sir. It seems like Asithva got the right one.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
So done.
Chalo, that's great. Yeah. Done. Chalo, that's good, good. Okay, Asithva gave me the answer first. Okay. Asithva, it's only one part. Calculate both the parts. It's very similar to the previous
Yes, sir, I'm doing that.
one. Okay, okay. Do it fast. So if a person is very, very sharp-minded and that thing, so that is a very, very rare case. Just like the Albert Einstein, the Isaac Newton, those person are like, but as a we are like normal human beings. So we have to do the hard work, na? So that's why. Okay, okay, Safiya. Okay, very good. Asif. Okay. Tejas, do not nod your head. Answer me in the chat. I haven't get the answer. Sara, Ishad,
Yes.
you haven't gave me the single answer yet. We are doing the third question of this class. I didn't get any answer by Sara and Arshad so far. Sara, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Sara, if you are there, why do you not interact with me? Why are you not interacting with me? What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Nothing. Once you have, when did you, when you join, when you have joined the Learnivio, you were very, very active. But I don't know what has really happened to you. Like since you were in India, and after that you were just like simple, like no interaction, no answer, no revision, no hard work. What happened?
I don't know, sir. Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. So please answer, Sara.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please do the revision. You need a lot of revision, Sara. And if you need my help, just let me know. Okay, Tejas, Sar, Irshad. Chalo, let's see. Question is saying that a cricket ball is dropped from a height of 20 meters. Drop किया है. What do you mean by dropping? What is the consequence of it? Tell me.
The acceleration due to gravity is in negative.
नहीं.
Yes,
Initial
sir.
velocity will be zero.
Yes, sir.
Simple. If the body
Yes,
is
sir.
dropped, initial velocity would be zero. Height is 20. Again, value of g is given to you 10 meter and it is a downward motion. It is dropping, so it would be
Yes, sir.
positive meter
Positive.
per second square. Again, they just said, sir, it would be negative. Now he
Sir,
is
I have
basically
mistake
repeating
is
me,
X,
sir.
sir.
He said now he's repeating with me, sir. It would be positive. See how fast he changes the sign. Okay, just like okay, speed of light. Speed of light, catching the speed of light. Okay. So first part, calculate the speed of the ball when it will hit the ground. Simply use the first equation of motion. Time is not given. Sorry, time is not. Final velocity is given, so you can use the third equation of final minus u square is equals to 2gh because you have given the height. So v square minus 0 is equal to 2 into and g is 10 into 20. Okay. So that would be 200 into, so 20 into 20 would be 400. Okay. So nothing but v square would be nothing but 20 into 20 in simple words. So as you can see, this is forming a pair. If I take a square root, 20 will come out from the square root, yes or no?
Yes,
20
sir.
20. So it is coming out to be
20
20
meter per second.
meter per second. Did you get this point, Sarah, Irshad,
Yes, I
Tejas?
got it, sir.
Chalo
Yes,
then.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Calculate the time taken. Simply, Farhan, are you there? Farhan, please switch on your video. I did ask some in the start of the class, but you also do not interact with me. I don't know what has happened to you guys. Like only 2 or 3 students. It seems like only 3 students are there in the class only. Like Farhan, oh sorry, Asif, Tejas, and Safia. Irshad is not responding. Sarah is not responding. Farhan is not responding. That's not the thing, Mitchell. You are also there in the class. I'm also like you also have to answer if I'm asking something. It's an open question to all. I didn't ask specifically from any student, but I asked from the whole class. So you have to be there in the class with a very attentive mind and respond to me. B part is saying that calculate the time it takes to fall through this height. Simply use the
2 seconds.
you can use the first equation of motion because you have now you have final velocity as well as the acceleration.
Yes, sir. 2 seconds, sir.
Okay, Tejas, let's see. 20 is equal to 0 plus 10 into t. So t would be equals to 20 by 10. That is coming out to 2 seconds. Is that clear to all of you? This is your answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt so far to anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Sure. Now I'm giving you one more question. Do it. So these are the types of questions that will be there in your exam. So please be prepared and revise the topic. All the topics are interrelated to each other.
Sir, I did a mistake in the second question.
Okay, okay. No issues. Etc. Now
Sir, I've actually
on
calculated
mistake.
distance.
Where did you make the mistake?
I calculated distance by mistake.
Acha, acha, ठीक, wait. So now please do let me know the answer. Ball is thrown with the speed of this. How high will it go before it begins to fall? Now think a little bit what it is asking. It is the formulas that are basically which are present behind basically in your screen map. You see behind your screen or in the background. So you
Yes,
have to implement them in the exams as well, right? The
Okay.
background is cool, but the thing is that you have to remember them as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sure. Find the answer. Let me know. Sarah, Asif, Farhan, Irshad, Safia, Tejas. How's the preparation going on for Diwali, Asif and Tejas?
Sir, good, sir, but that
Good.
day I
Good,
have
sir.
match.
Yes, Tejas, Asif, you said something?
Yes, sir, it's going good, but that day I have a cricket match.
Okay, cricket man.
School.
Okay.
From school.
Okay. Yes, Tejas, what about you?
Doing good, sir.
Good. Chalo, that's great. So will you come to India for the Diwali or you will be there?
No, sir. I'll be there, sir.
Sir, I'll be here only.
In the Abu Dhabi, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And Tejas, you Dubai.
Sir, yes, Saudi Arabia.
So, Riyadh or
Yes,
Jeddah?
sir. Riyadh, sir.
Riyadh. Okay, okay. Capital of Saudi.
Mm.
Riyadh. That's great. Riyadh is a very good place to basically explore. It's like in the middle of the Saudi, right? It's in the middle, na?
Yes, sir. It's center
Uh,
of Saudi Arabia.
center of Saudi Arabia. Like Saudi Arabia is like it's like a cross. Saudi Arabia, the population lies in this man pattern because the whole area is nothing but a desert. Chalo that. Any answer, Sarah, Asitva? Sorry, Sarah, Ishad, and Farhan. Safia, what about you?
Sir, I'm doing.
Doing? Okay, fast. Can anybody tell me what is the final velocity of this body? Tejas, I wanted, but I don't think so that I will in the recent time because
Yes, sir.
I have the like due to my personal, you can say, life. That's the thing because I'm the lone child, like in the like boy in my house, so that's why I have to do all the things and I'm the so that's the thing. Okay,
Correct.
yeah, that is the thing. But yeah, definitely I'll there soon. Okay. Uh, what will be the final velocity? Tell me, what will be the final velocity as the ball is thrown upwards? Asif, Sara,
The
Ishad,
final velocities,
yeah, tell me.
zeros.
Tejas is murmuring in a very low voice. Tejas, I need the answer, not the whisper.
That's 0.
Ah, zero.
Zero, sir.
Okay, so final velocity would be zero. Okay, so now you need to calculate the height. So you can calculate the height. Time is not given, so you will be using the third equation of motion.
Yes, sir.
So connection of pen is a little again.
Sir,
It is thrown upwards, so the value of g would be negative, yes or no, everyone, because it is a deaccelerated motion, right?
Yes, sir.
Into h. So that would be negative of 225 is equals to 2 into 9.8 of negative, okay, into h. This negative will sign cancel this
116.
sign, yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So it is coming out to be the value of h is coming out to be 225 divided by 19.6. So it is coming out to be somewhat like 11.4 meter. Now Tejas will again ask, "Sir, how did you calculate it? It's so far." I use the calculator because I have the privilege. Safia is smiling. Safia thinks that is too smart. चलो, जल्दी calculate it fast. Is that clear to all of you? Asitva, Sara, Farhan,
Yes,
Tejas,
sir.
Safia,
Yeah.
Irshad.
Yes,
Any
sir.
answer so far? Sorry, any doubt so far? Yes, Farhan, you said something?
No, sir. No, no.
Take your okay, Irshad. That's great. Okay, so in the next class we'll be starting the mass and the weight. Okay, so it's a small request from all of you that please just at least go through the mass and weight concept in the NCRT or the book which I have shared with you. Is everyone having the book reference book that I have shared? Lakshmi Singh and Manjeet Kaur to all of you. Please
Yes,
do
sir.
let me
I
know.
saved the
Yes,
PDF,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yeah,
everybody have the book.
sir.
That is Asifal, you don't have the book.
No, sir. So my WhatsApp
Uh,
got reset, so I
अच्छा
lost
अच्छा
the
ठीक है. Asif, you are on laptop or mobile right now?
sir laptop.
अच्छा, laptop. Okay, Asif, I'm sharing in the chat. I think so. It's possible because that book is a very small in PD. You can say in size,
Yes, sir.
only 2 or 3 MB.
Sir, you can share it in the chat. I'll download it.
I'm sharing. Yes, Asif, okay. I'm sharing in the everyone so that you can, if it's anybody is there who is not having this book, can download it. Okay. So I think so I've shared the ninth one now. कभी 10th की share करी, हाँ 9th वाली share की है, ठीक है. So I've shared the ninth class book, so please download it. And Farhan, am I not audible to you? We measure weight. We measure weight. The device that we use, that is weight. To measure the weight. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues. So it's a request to all of you. The book that I've shared right now, please go through the math, because in this book the explanation is very very. If anybody is there, those, is there anyone who is basically read the book so far till now? Is there anyone who
Sir,
goes
I've
through this
read.
book?
Sir, I've read, sir.
Okay, you have read. So in this book, the explanation is very very simple, in the very
Yes, sir.
layman language, just like a baby language. You will find the examples, you'll find the explanation, everything is there. Just go through this. I just need that you just at least go through this, very like just like reading a novel now. So you read the novel with a very interesting mindset. So just a small topic is, it's a math, and with you can say the weight is a very small topic. It will not take half an hour. Go through it, and when start, I'll ask some questions from you. Okay, it would be a kind of a little bit you can say friendly vibe. Okay, so I'll check how many of you have gone basically revised the topic. Okay, so
Okay.
Yes, sir.
clear all of you? Farhan,
Yes, sir.
so I've shared the book in the chat. Please download it. Those who have not this book.
So my downloading is about to finish.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. Okay, so this is the book. ठीक है. So now you can download it, and if you like, just go through it, just the examples, the definition, what is the different basic, different mass and weight, just like that. I'm not saying that you have to understand the whole topic just like this. No, simply go through the numeric, like the reading portion, simply, just like you do in the English books. Okay, simple. That's what I want. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Sure, that's great. Okay, so in this class, let's keep this class here. Okay, in the I've shared some homework question, and in the coming class, I'll do so 15 minutes. We'll do the numericals of this chapter, because in this basically in this specific topic, numericals is similar to the equations of motion topic, right? So there won't be any time like very